welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for forever. It's been so long that I now have pigtail length hair. Holy crap. Life's just been a little bit crazy. I moved like 12 hours away from where I used to live. Yeah, I had a lot of life stuff going on, so I had to take a big break and get everything together, but now I'm back and I'm going to be making a lot of really cool spooky Halloween themed videos for you guys for the month of October, and I hope you guys are ready for the spookiness because I am. Oh my god. The first video in this whole series is what you're watching right now, and in it I'm going to be making my whole vanity area, like setting it up and everything. I bought this vanity 2 years ago, and when I moved the mirrors broke. It was really sad, and I had to find a new mirror for it. But I had an amazing family member who just showed up one day with this mirror, and it was like a match made in heaven. They were like, hey, I thought you'd like this mirror. And I'm like, holy crap, yes, I would. Thank you very much. I'll take this mirror and I'll worship it for the rest of my life. It's beautiful. Once I had it, I was like, you know what? We're doing it. It's gonna be amazing. I painted a light, like a vanity light for the area as well, and I put up some lights around my vanity and hung up some spooky stuff. I'm not going to spoil it all for you guys. First, I'm going to be showing you how I made my light fixture. To prepare my light bar for painting, I'm removing the electrical hardware from the back. I've set up a little area outside with cardboard and trash bags so I don't make a mess with the paint. This part was super easy. I just covered everything in the black spray paint and left it out to dry for a few hours. No spooky vanity is complete without spiderwebs. I used acrylic paint, no special brand, just some cheap stuff. I wanted to really frame the ends of the light with the webs. I didn't pre-plan what I was going to do. I probably should have. Alright, now on to the danger part. Disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, this is not a tutorial. If you try this, it's at your own risk. Starting off, I'm pulling my extension cord through the hole in the back of the light, but I'm matching up the color of the wire and twisting the ends together tightly, then sealing the deal with wire caps. The extension cord I used had the wire ends exposed, so I didn't cut or strip it myself. I use electrical tape to keep all the wires together neatly and reassemble the light. Now onto the stool. Using painter's tape, I'm creating a stripe pattern, and I'm going to start off with the green fabric paint. That way, if it bleeds through the tape, I can cover it with the black paint. The paint that I'm using is Fabric Creation Soft Fabric Ink. You do have to let it air dry for 24 hours and set with heat. Painting the black stripes took forever. I should have waited until the green paint had dried so I could put tape down over it to easily make the line straight, but I had to do things the hard way. I bought these cool hat bag tree things from IKEA. I love them. They were like $12, I think. I bought 2 of them because I'm kind of a hoarder when it comes to fashion accessories. I'm selling some of my hats and bags on Depop that I've rarely or never used. You should give my babies a good home, or at least go check out my shop. I was gifted this magical mirror. I'm so in love with it. It's 1,000 times better than the mirrors that originally came with my vanity set. As you can see, I'm measuring the placement for the screws to hang up my light bar. A great thing about this mirror is you can't see the light cord running behind it. It's perfectly hidden, making it look all seamless. Turned off the lights behind my bag tree and created a box around my vanity area to frame it out. I bought this cute X-ray picture set from Micheal's. Halloween is spooky home decor season and I love it. Got these little wooden bats from Micheal's as well, and I spray painted them black. It's only fitting that I have some bats hanging around my vanity, you know, being the BatBabe and all. I'm sure I'll add more to my vanity area in the future, but I felt like this is a good stopping place for now. It's simple, clean, and cute. I didn't want to overdo it. Now for the final touches.
I've wanted a jar for my brushes. This one I got from Ross. I found these tiny little glow-in-the-dark bones at Michael's and about died. Who needs boring sand or stones when you have tiny fricking bones? I thought they might be too big to put the brushes in, for them to sit nicely, but it all fit perfectly.
I love the way that my vanity area turned out, and I hope you guys think it's cute. But also, I love it, so who cares? I am so proud of my vanity light. Not only is it spooky cute with all of the spider webs on it, but I wired it up myself, which is something I've never done before. So add that to the list of things that I now know how to do. I mean, I'm not an electrician, so let's just cross fingers and toes and hope that, I don't end up burning down the house one day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That way you guys don't miss out on any of the Halloween goodness. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.